10 healthy snacks recipes for your night shift. Nutritionists always claim that you should avoid eating at nighttime as it will not only lead to extra weight gain but will also negatively influence your digestive tract. But what if you work at night? In this case, the schedule and food menu will have to be reviewed. Here is the best delicious and healthy snack recipes to take for your next night shift. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Dip Platter. This is one of the favorite snacks I usually take for the night shift. It's really easy to do and takes just a few minutes to prepare it. Take vegetables like celery, carrots, raw cauliflower, mini Lebanese cucumbers, and peppers. Wash them and cut the veggies in sticks. Then prepare a fruit plate. It can include grapes, berries, apple or pears. Slice them if needed. You can add string cheese or cottage cheese to your mix. And the last thing you need is hummus. It will make the snack more nutritious and delicious. Number 12. Chia Pudding. Chia seeds are exactly what you need to stay healthy while working night shifts. It is rich in fiber, omega-3 fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Moreover, chia seeds support the heart and digestive system, improve skin health, and has an anti-aging effect. Preparation. You will need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Pour them with 2 cups of sugar-free milk, coconut, almond or cashew. Add the topping, blueberries, strawberries or blackberries. You can sweeten the mixture with vanilla, maple syrup, pinch cardamom, chopped raisins, honey or cacao powder. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Granola will be a perfect company for your night shift. Sprinkle it with berries and fat-free yogurt. It will prevent the feeling of fatigue. Number 4. Gourmet boiled eggs. Eggs have plenty of health benefits as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and fats. This is an amazing food that contains the essential nutrients and will give a feeling of satiety for a long time. Here is an interesting recipe for eggs with bacon to take for the night shift. Boil and peel a few eggs. Then, fry up a handful of bacon. Mix these together with some avocado. Number 5. Toast Topper. This recipe can be modified a million times. Make a toast of a piece of wholemeal, gluten-free or brown bread and add topping to your choice. Number 6. Dried fruit and nut mix. This recipe will be a very delicious and healthy option to satisfy your hunger during the night shift. Moreover, dried fruits and nuts are rich in fiber and potassium that are essential for our overall health. Take a variety of nuts raw, unroasted cashews and almonds, dried fruits raisins, cherries, cranberries, apricots, raw pumpkin seeds and dark chocolate. Add fat-free yogurt to the mix. Number 7. Toasted sandwich or a toastie. You can make hot toasts with different fillings each time, so you won't get sick of this snack for sure. Here are the best options to fill your toast. Asterisk meats, chicken, ham, roast beef, tuna or turkey. Asterisk tomato, cut tomatoes into small pieces and add species to your taste. Asterisk cheese, cottage or ricotta cheese. Number 8. Tuna and crackers. Tuna has exceptional taste and is great for preparing snacks. It's incredibly rich in omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids. Tuna will help you to maintain youth and beauty. Just don't forget the mince for when you return to work. If you want to avoid crackers, you can make a salad with mixed lettuce, carrot, red onion, and peppers. Number 9. Celery and peanut butter. This is a powerful combination that has plenty of health benefits, but be aware, peanut butter is very high in calories and fat, so make sure not to overeat it. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is one of the best sources of antioxidants and minerals. Moreover, the study shows that dark chocolate improves brain function, lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and reduces inflammation.